Hi, I'm Raul Loya, personal injury trial lawyer practicing in Texas, and we just finished a highly contested, very difficult personal injury case involving an auto collision involving our client. It settled for high six figures, and we were very pleased with the outcome. This was an auto collision involving a commercial vehicle, and we dealt with issues of respondeat superior, liability. A simple explanation is that if a person is working and he gets involved in an accident, then you can hold his boss and the company responsible for the accident because he was in the course and scope of his employment, and that's usually the key. In this case, we dealt with a seatbelt defense with what they call an unavoidable accident defense. Also, we looked at the crashworthiness of the vehicle. There was a rollover in the vehicle. We looked at whether there was an unsafe product, a design defect or a manufacturing defect in the car that our client was the passenger in. But in the end, what we did is we hired an expert, a very good accident reconstruction expert who's also works with both the district attorney in criminal cases and in civil cases to determine the speed of the vehicles. He did an accident reconstruction. He looked at distances, speeds of vehicles, collision, impact, rollover. He looked at the police reports and records and the video, and also he did his own analysis with a computer program. He was able to determine that there was a dip in the road actually contributed to the accident and actually caused the company vehicle and the driver to swerve. And in avoiding collision, our client the vehicle rolled over, and it was quite a catastrophic accident, and the injuries were actually very catastrophic. Our client was injured. He was rendered a paraplegic. He lost the use of his legs or use of his bodily functions from his chest down, which was very, very difficult for him. At one point, at the beginning of the case, we didn't think he would survive, but miraculously he did make it. He suffered a traumatic brain injury, which impaired him at the beginning, a loss of memory, loss of earning capacity. As far as the damages were extensive and catastrophic. There was a lot of pain and suffering by him and his family. There was a serious loss of earning capacity, permanent disfigurement, permanent injury. He's wheelchair bound. It was miraculously that he recovered and was able to overcome these difficulties, and he regained some of his memory and was actually able to assist us in his own case. So he gave a sworn testimony, he gave a deposition, and that was very beneficial in this case. He went on to recover from his injuries, able to actually, that's a year later, graduate from high school. He was voted the city of Saxe, Texas, gave him a special day just dedicated just to that client, just to that person. He was voted the most admired in his graduating class. He was voted homecoming king, and he's now on to start college in the fall. But we were very pleased with that outcome. We were pleased that we were able to help him in this case. If you have any questions about your personal injury case or any accident that you're involved in or a loved one, we'd be happy to discuss it with you. You can reach us and look at our website at loyalaw.com. That's LOYALAW.com. Or you can call us directly. We'd be happy to speak with you at 214-521-8766, and we'd be happy to talk to you.